Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y70 and today I'll show you how to set up and enable the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me is a third one right over here. So before you tap on it, you do want to hold it. This will allow us to go into the settings quickly and change some of the things here. So number one, we have calls. Allow calls from anyone, contact, favorites, and no one. Now for this purpose, just to showcase something else, I'm gonna go with no one, and you can see that it keeps another option right here, so allow repeated callers, and this will allow someone to call you or reach you if they call you twice within a 15-minute period, no matter what the setting here is. Now moving on, we have the messages, same as calls, minus the option for the 15-minute rule. Select whichever one you want. Then have restricts notifications, so just a notification settings, how you want to display those notifications, or if you want them at all. It looks like someone set it to custom, but you can go with the no visual or sound from notifications, which is a preset option. Then we have duration, so default one, that is whenever you tap on the toggle. Now I'm gonna go with ask every time. This will basically bring up this window every time I tap on a toggle and allow me to choose from the two options, so either until I turn it off or for a specific amount of hours. So if I set it like so, I'll quickly show it. So once I tap on it, it brings up this window right here, and I can add hours or keep it until I turn it off. And then the last option is the schedule option. So we can tap to add a schedule and create our own. It looks like I actually need to name it something. From there, we can set days of the week, start, end time, and the way at which it behaves. So again, this is fully customizable. You can set multiple of those, and they will basically enable at the given day of the week, end time, and at that point, Do Not Disturb mode will be enabled till the specified time reaches, at which point it's gonna simply disable again. And that gives you basically complete freedom. You don't actually have to enable or disable it, and it's gonna be fully automated. So now once you actually set it up, as you can see, it automatically becomes enabled. So if you don't want it, we'll have to check that off. But that is basically all the settings that we have. And now going to the enable or disable, you do it by simply tapping on it, as you've seen me do before. So turn on, and there we go, it's now on, as you can see right over here. And disable it again by tapping on it. And that is how you would set it up. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.